In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a player from their profile page. Blocking someone is a quick way to protect your experience if a player is bothering you, spamming invites, or making the game less enjoyable. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can do it confidently, whether you're on desktop or mobile. First, go to their profile. You can get there from a few common places. Tap their name in a recent match or lobby, open a chat thread and select their profile from the conversation header, or use the search bar and type their username, then choose the correct result. Take a moment to make sure you're on the right person's page. Profiles often include an avatar, username, and activity details. If multiple players share similar names, verify with their avatar or any other visible, non-sensitive details to avoid blocking the wrong person. Next, find the menu on their profile. Look toward the upper right corner for the three dots icon, sometimes labeled More, or shown as an overflow menu. On some apps, this might also appear as a gear or a small menu button near the Follow or Friend options. If you're on mobile, you might need to tap once to reveal extra controls, or scroll a bit if the profile layout is compact. If you can't see the menu right away, give the page a second to load, or try rotating your device. The option is usually easy to spot once the profile fully renders. Now select Block from the drop-down menu. When you tap Block, you may see a confirmation prompt. This is normal. It's there to make sure you intended to take this action. Confirm, and the block should apply immediately. Once blocked, that player typically won't be able to message you, invite you, or interact with you directly. You also won't see their messages or invites, reducing unwanted contact. If you change your mind later, blocking is reversible on most platforms through your privacy or safety settings, where you can manage your blocked list. Note that blocking is different from muting or reporting. Mute hides communications, while report sends information to moderators. Use block for instant relief and report if something violates rules. If the block option doesn't appear, ensure you're signed in, update the app to the latest version, and check you have a stable connection. Some platforms place safety options under a secondary submenu labeled Privacy or Safety. That's it. By navigating to their profile, opening the menu, and choosing Block, you can quickly take control of your experience and keep your playtime positive.